Hi! So today I get this package in the mail from my bestie who decided to run away and move back to Chilton, Wisconsin, just because, you know, that's where she was raised and, you know, she could be by her family. So I understand, even though my heart's still broken. But look at this box I just got from her. So let's unload it together. So I've already untaped it and all that. So this is so exciting. And let's see here. The first thing it says is to please refrigerate upon arrival. So, and it says, there's a little card here. It's from Crafted from You by Henning Cheese. And it says, happy birthday, Judith. Enjoy the cheese from Wisconsin. Love you, Diane. My birthday's next week. So she wanted to make sure I had my yummies before next week. And then it talks about the Henning. For 4 generations, the Henning family has been handcrafting award-winning artisan and specialty cheeses in rural Kiel, Wisconsin since 1914. And then there's a little history about it again. Of course, I'm going to sit down and read all that. Oh, let's see here if I can get it out. Oh. Styrofoam. Let me get this little freezer pack out. That's always nice to have. Ooh, Pine River Smoky Bacon. It's a cheese spread. Oh, look how good that is. I'm so excited. And yes, I have to share, I was told. I don't know if I'm going to or not, but let's see here. We got those. Oh my goodness. Traditional cheese curds. I'll break these up and put them in like little individual bags. So on these, if you heat them up in the microwave for just a few seconds, they do a little squeaky sound. But traditional cheese curds, they're cheddar. So I got a package of those. Oh, my grandbabies love these. The mozzarella cheese whips. She got 2 packages of them. It's a cheese slicer. I love it. I love that. I like, it's for my block Colby Jack cheese. Hennings. This is what I'm supposed to make sure I share with, but I don't know if I want to or not. But I got the milk balls. Ready? 2 of them. Oh my God, I'm so excited about these. They're like Whoppers, but better. Oh my gosh, they're so much better than the actual Whoppers. But this is from Briess, and it's all natural since 1876. It's 150 years, the 5th generation, family owned in Chilton, Wisconsin. Briess also does the yeast and the malt and stuff, I believe. Malt maybe for a lot of the breweries. But this is my birthday from my Diane. I'm so happy that I wanted y'all to see all the yummies that she sent. And if y'all are ever in Wisconsin, go by Henning's. You can actually probably even order online at henningcheese.com. And I'll post all this. I'll tag everything in my videos. But happy birthday to me. Thank you, Diane. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.